just love me no.
Like I'm so motherfucking hungry, man, my head hurt. I had to get myself together, make my head work. But at the same time, keep my rap career first. But everybody know the hood could be your worst distraction. And when a nigga disrespect you, gun your first reaction. That's how we living in this struggle, all we got is pride. So when a nigga take it from you, shit, you gotta ride. Murder, homicide. So by all means necessary, I'ma try to get my mama out the hood since my father died. If you don't grind, you don't shine, shit, I got try. A made man, brave man, nigga, I am high. Well, I be going hard. Roaming through these main streets, I be on guard. Cause niggas still in lives faster than they still in cars. See me, I'm still alive, as a praying, I don't fall. The sinning got me winning, though I know it's all wrong. Then I stop, look around, my homies all gone. We the last of the last, holding on strong. Some say I ain't earned it, you break it down, burn it. I'ma rebuild, cause I'm thorough and determined. Call me Meek Mill, I'm the realest in the world. Mouth from the north to the south, I am murder. While you was steady chillin', I was in the crib writing raps, thinking millions. Cars, Jews, buildings. Niggas don't respect